Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a 5-minute scalping detection signal indicator that are useful for trades. This signal can show the reversal and momentum of the chart. Basically, when there are changes in color, it will show momentum change in the strategy. In this video, we are going to try out this indicator and preform the best optimization using this indicator. Make sure that you watch to the end so that you won't miss any best setting using this indicator. Let's start. First of all, open up the indicator in the Indicator tabs. Search for Absolute Strength Index Oscillator. Basically, just open up the indicator that are provided by Lazy Bear. As you can see, the indicator was generate out down below. We will try to optimize it to the best setting of the indicator. If you are trading for a 5-man scalping, decrease the EMA length to 9 and the signal length to 14. If you are trading for a 15-man scalping Forex strategy, change the setting of EMA to 14 and signal length to 21. Basically, this length are suitable based on your trading strategy. The lower the length, the higher the sensitivity for the indicator to detect the reversal momentum signal. For example, at this point, it shows a reversal chart. The chart shows increasing in momentum as the green color momentum is increased. As this, we can start to plan for your strategy. Basically, you can plan your strategy using risk-reward projection. Make sure that your risk-reward ratio is more than 1 so that your trading will be reward bias. Besides, if there is a reversal from green turn into orange, basically, it shows the decreasing in uptrend momentum. In this case, we can start to plan our short position and cut loss point. This is because when the chart momentum shows a decreasing momentum signal, this indicates that the chart having a high possibility of changing in trend. As a result, proper strategy must be planned ahead before the trend shows reversal. Basically, you can backtest this indicator to suit for your trading strategy, as the indicator does not provide 100% accuracy. It only provides you the best optimized strategy plan based on your trades. If you want to learn more, you can check and plan for strategy.